Once upon a time, in a bustling city filled with towering skyscrapers and busy streets, there lived a young boy named Timmy, who had a dream to fly in a helicopter. Timmy loved to watch the helicopters soar high above the city, their blades spinning like giant fans, carrying people and cargo to faraway places. He would often gaze up at the sky and imagine himself soaring through the air, seeing the world from a bird's eye view. One sunny day, Timmy's parents surprised him with a special gift, a helicopter ride. Timmy was overjoyed. He couldn't wait to experience the thrill of flying and see the city from a whole new perspective. As they arrived at the helicopter pad, Timmy's heart raced with excitement. He watched in awe as the pilot expertly maneuvered the helicopter into position, its blades whirring with power. After a quick safety briefing from the pilot, Timmy was buckled into the co-pilot seat, his eyes wide with anticipation. The helicopter lifted off the ground, slowly at first, and then with a surge of power, it ascended into the sky. Timmy gasped in amazement as the city spread out beneath him. The streets looked like tiny ribbons, the buildings like miniature dollhouses. As the helicopter flew higher and higher, Timmy felt a sense of freedom and exhilaration. He was flying, soaring through the air like a bird. He realized that his dream had come true. From that day on, Timmy never looked up at the sky in the same way. He knew that anything was possible if he set his mind to it. And he knew that he would always cherish the memory of his helicopter ride, the day he soared above the city and touched the clouds.